close your eyes and let your body relax into this moment of peace. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders as you breathe deeply. Allow your mind to clear, making space for new thoughts to take root. As you listen to these words, know they are planting seeds of self-worth within you, watering the garden of your esteem. Open your heart to receive these affirmations, letting them wash over you like gentle rain on parched soil. I am worthy of love and respect exactly as I am right now. My value doesn't depend on what others think of me. I embrace my flaws as part of what makes me unique. I treat myself with the kindness I would offer a dear friend. My voice deserves to be heard. I trust my decisions and stand by them with confidence. I celebrate my achievements no matter how small they may seem. I forgive myself for past mistakes and learn from them. My body carries me through life and I am grateful for it. I set healthy boundaries that honor my needs and feelings. I release comparisons to others and walk my own path. I am the author of my story, and I write it with courage. I notice the negative voice in my head without believing it. I am growing and evolving every day. My presence in this world matters. I choose thoughts that build me up rather than tear me down. I deserve to take up space in rooms where decisions are made. I recognize my strengths and use them to create good in the world. I am resilient in the face of challenges. I speak to myself with words of encouragement and compassion. My worth isn't tied to my productivity or accomplishments. I am enough just as I am in this moment. I give myself permission to say no without guilt. I am not defined by my mistakes or failures. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I look in the mirror and find things to appreciate about myself. I fill my mind with positive thoughts about who I am. I deserve happiness and seek it actively. I release the need for perfection and embrace progress. I am proud of how far I've come on my journey. I choose relationships that reflect my self-worth. My feelings are valid and deserve acknowledgement. I stand tall in my truth without apology. I know when to rest and when to push forward. I cultivate self-respect in my daily actions. I accept compliments graciously, letting them sink in. I notice my inner critic and choose self-compassion instead. I am not my thoughts. I am the awareness behind them. I I make choices that align with my values and beliefs. I speak my mind with clarity and confidence. I am worthy of receiving help when I need it. I view challenges as opportunities for growth. I create boundaries that protect my energy and peace. I surround myself with people who see my worth. I give myself credit for trying even when I fall short. I am the expert on my own experience. I listen to my body's signals and respond with care. I dress in clothes that make me feel good about myself. I am becoming more confident with each passing day. I take ownership of my strengths without diminishing them. I practice self-care as an act of self-respect. I honor my needs without feeling selfish. I bring value to every table I sit at. I replace "I should" with "I choose to" or "I don't want to." I acknowledge my progress, not just my destination. I treat my mistakes as teachers, not judges. I stand up for myself when treated unfairly. I give myself permission to change my mind. I nourish my mind with positive influences. I allow myself to feel emotions without judgment. I take up my rightful space in conversations. I validate my own experiences without needing outside approval. I view setbacks as temporary, not permanent. I release the pressure to be liked by everyone. I walk away from situations that diminish my worth. I am more than my appearance or job title. I heal from past wounds at my own pace. I own my story, including its difficult chapters. I cultivate thoughts that make me feel strong and capable. I spend time with people who energize rather than deplete me. I am in charge of how I respond to life's challenges. I recognize when I'm being hard on myself and choose kindness instead. I honor the child I once was and the elder I will become. I focus on what I can control and release what I cannot. I choose words that build my confidence when I speak about myself. I deserve to feel good in my own skin. I see myself clearly, with compassion for my whole being. I am at peace with who I am. As these affirmations settle within you, notice how your body feels lighter, your mind clearer. The seeds of self-esteem are taking root. Carry these words with you as you move through your day, returning to them whenever you need, a reminder of your inherent worth. You are enough. You have always been enough, and you will continue to be enough, exactly as you are.